Hey Bellaras, welcome back to part 4 of our Glow Up Skincare series. And this one is all about getting a little more technical. Because here's the truth, you could be doing all the right things. Eating clean, masking regularly, sleeping early. But if your skincare doesn't match your skin type, you might be making things worse without even knowing. So in today's video, I'll help you identify your true skin type, understand your skin's current condition, and build a simple base routine that actually supports healing. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. I post natural, effective skincare every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's decode your skin. Step number 1, identify your skin type. There are 4 basic skin types, and knowing yours helps you avoid the wrong DIYs or product. Normal, it feels balanced, not too oily or dry. Oily, it's shiny throughout the day, especially in the T-zone. Dry, it's flaky, tight, or dull. And finally, combination. Oily in some areas like forehead and nose, and dry in others like cheeks. Try this. Cleanse your face, wait an hour, don't apply anything, and check how your skin feels. That will give you a clue. If you want to go deeper, I've already made a full video on skin types and the best DIY masks for each one. I'll link it below and in the description. Step number 2, know the difference between skin type and condition. This is where most people get confused. Skin type is permanent, mostly genetic. But skin condition is temporary. It's caused by lifestyle, weather, hormones, etc. Let me give you examples of conditions: acne, dehydration, sensitivity, pigmentation, breakouts from stress or food. You might have oily skin and dehydrated skin. That means you need lightweight hydration, not drying treatments. Step number 3, build a simple routine that matches you. You don't need a 10-step routine, just 3 or 4 intentional steps that match your skin's true needs. For oily skin, use a tea or oat cleanser, Gasul clay mask, clove toner, and a lightweight gel moisturizer. For dry skin, use a creamy yogurt cleanser, hydrating oat honey mask, rose water toner, and argan or jojoba oil. For combination skin, try multi-masking, Gasul or coffee in oily area, yogurt and honey on dry areas. Toners like cucumber or rose mist are great for combo skin, and always patch test new recipes before applying. Step number 4, avoid mixing the wrong ingredients. Even with natural DIYs, not everything works together. Some combinations can damage your skin barrier or cause breakouts. Avoid mixing strong exfoliants like lemon with turmeric. They are both potent and can cause stinging or irritation. Don't overdo honey masks if you're already using rich moisturizers. Too much can clog your pores. And don't apply clay masks every day. Even natural clays can overdry your skin and disrupt its natural oil balance. Stick to 2 to 3 targeted DIYs per week and space them out to let your skin reset and respond fully. Step number 5, keep it consistent for 3 weeks or more. Here's the part that most people skip: time. your skin takes at least 21 to 28 days to show real change. That's how long it takes for one full cell turnover cycle. New skin replacing old. You need to let it happen, so whatever routine you choose, stick with it. Don't change every 3 days expecting miracles. Give your glow time. Track how your skin feels weekly. Take no makeup selfies in the same lighting. Stay calm and consistent. Skincare isn't magic, it's a habit, and your skin responds to consistency more than anything else. And that's it, Beloras. Knowing your true skin type, understanding your current condition, and building the right base routine. Once you get this right, every mask, toner, and serum works better because it's aligned with what your skin truly needs. Let me know in the comments what's your skin type. Are you still figuring it out, or did this help you clarify it? If you missed part 1 to 3, I've linked the full Glow From Within skincare playlist in the description. Go watch them all. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!